Hello friends, welcome to TechTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to remove watermark using Canva. First of all, over here I am in Canva workspace. I'll import one image over here. Let's choose this one. Okay, you can see here is one of my images which has watermark. To remove this watermark, all we need to do is head over to this edit photo. And over here you can see here is magic eraser. Select magic eraser. Then to remove watermark, brush over the place which have watermark in the image. Now I am just hovering around this image. Cover all the watermark which is to be removed and leave. Within few time, Canva will analyze and remove our watermark. You can see here our watermark is removed. In this way we can remove watermark in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.